Holly the homemaker here. So we are going to make some chili. First, you're going to get some water for your macaronis. About that much. You're just going to pour in there. You're not going to heat up yet, so just leave that alone for now. Now we are going to brown some meat. So you're going to take a little less than half. I'm sorry that I look so scary. My two kids have just about worn me out this week and today. And that's how much I have left for a different meal. You're going to put it on medium and get that bad boy cooking. I'm just going to separate it so all brown at the same time. Now it's brown, so we are going to turn on our macaroni. We're going to leave those on high to get that water a-boiling, and now it's time to get the grease out of here. I didn't put my grease down the sink, so I'm going to go take that outside. Now I'm going to just put it on low to put all the other ingredients in. First is chili powder. You're going to put that in there and you're going to mix it around real good. Just mix it up. Next is chili beans. I'm going to open that up. And just mix that all in. Oh, dropped it. Can't use that one. And then kidney beans are next. got a new utensil. Mix that all up. And diced tomatoes. This tomato juice. I'm going to take about that much. And that's what it looks like so far. Going to drain out the water of the noodles. Now they're ready to put in the chili mix. Just gonna mix it all up. So now you're going to take some crackers and put some butter on it. And just put in the bottom of your bowl to give it a little extra pizzazz. Just take regular and put in there too, and that's what it looks like, folks. My special recipe to chili. It's yummy. Now look how much is left, guys. This could feed an army. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.